The manual picking of cocoa in tropical nations is a labor-intensive process that requires the deft hands of indigenous farmers equipped with long sticks. These committed people go into the verdant cocoa groves to carefully harvest the ripe cocoa pods from the trees. With great care, they crack open the pods to reveal the treasure inside: cocoa beans coated in a delicious, viscous pulp. The following step requires constant focus, as workers spend all day carefully separating the beans from the pulp, revealing the desired white material called cocoa nibs. The cocoa nibs go through an essential procedure for making delicious chocolate treats. After being extracted, these nibs are gathered and allowed to ferment in bamboo baskets or wooden boxes. The white pulp surrounding the beans turns into a liquid, drains away, and leaves the cocoa essence behind. The beans are then left to dry under the tropical sun, which brings out their flavor. This drying process not only preserves the beans but also imparts distinct characteristics to the cocoa, contributing to the nuanced taste that chocolate lovers appreciate. The cocoa beans are then carefully gathered and stored in large sacks. This is a critical step in preserving their quality. The sacks are transported to local storage establishments, where the beans undergo a series of checks performed by skilled inspectors with a keen eye and a wealth of experience. These inspectors meticulously examine individual nibs, ensuring they meet stringent quality standards. The checks involve assessing various aspects, including size, color, and aroma, to guarantee that only the finest cocoa beans progress through the supply chain. This attention to detail is crucial as it contributes to the exceptional taste and consistency of the final chocolate product. The sacks of beans travel vast distances to reach the bustling production lines of massive chocolate factories. This involves meticulous coordination to ensure the timely delivery of the precious cargo from the tropical cocoa plantations. When the cocoa bean sacks arrive, they are kept in large warehouses with controlled temperatures and humidity levels to prevent the beans from becoming damp or moldy. To bring out the distinct flavors in the beans, the next step is to clean and roast them. The beans are thoroughly cleaned to remove any contaminants or leftovers from their time spent in the tropical cocoa plantations. After being washed, the beans are put through a precisely regulated heat baking process. The chocolate's unique flavor profile and enticing aroma are both developed during the roasting process, which is essential for transforming raw cocoa beans into the delicious treat that we enjoy. As the beans undergo grinding, they release natural cocoa butter, the fat present in cocoa beans. The heat generated during grinding and the friction between particles cause the cocoa butter to melt. This melting process transforms the ground cocoa particles into a smooth and flowing liquid, creating the rich and velvety consistency characteristic of chocolate liquor. At this point, the chocolate liquor becomes the foundational ingredient ready to be shaped into a diverse array of chocolate products. The process diverges based on the desired type of chocolate. For dark chocolate, the chocolate liquor may be combined with sugar and additional cocoa butter, resulting in an intense and robust flavor profile. Milk chocolate, on the other hand, incorporates powdered or condensed milk along with sugar to achieve a smoother and creamier taste. Cutting-edge technology and skilled workers come together to create an array of chocolate delights. The liquid chocolate, now at its peak quality, is channeled through a series of high-tech machinery designed to shape and mold it into various forms. Conveyor belts carry the tempered chocolate to precision molds, where it takes on familiar shapes like bars, truffles, or pralines. Automated machinery ensures consistency and efficiency in the molding process, allowing for the creation of large quantities of chocolate products. Modern technology takes center stage with automated systems and, in some instances, robotic assistants contributing to the efficient and precise packaging of chocolate products. Automated systems can efficiently label, wrap, and seal each product, guaranteeing that they are ready for transport and display on store shelves. Quality control mechanisms are integrated into these packaging lines, with sensors and cameras identifying any deviations from the desired standards. This ensures that only products meeting the highest quality criteria proceed to the final stages of packaging and distribution. This packaging technology not only enhances efficiency, but also minimizes the risk of contamination and damage to the delicate chocolates. These technological advancements enable chocolate manufacturers to handle large-scale production and distribution with precision, meeting the demands of global markets. As the chocolates are neatly packaged and sealed, they are ready to embark on the next leg of their journey: massive distribution. Packing the completed chocolate goods is the final step. Each piece is meticulously wrapped and labeled by the chocolatier to ensure that the presentation visually matches the extraordinary flavor achieved through the complex process of making chocolate.